Hi friends, welcome to our Tax TV channel. Updated ITR-U. People can correct income tax returns from prior fiscal years. No details. The ITR-U tax return form allows taxpayers to submit tax returns for the assessment year that is 2 years earlier to the current assessment year. Non-audited income tax return (ITR) filing deadline has passed. Those who missed the deadline must file their returns by the final ITR filing date of December 31, 2022. Some taxpayers may discover financial information when completing this year's ITR that ought to have been included in their prior IT rupees. The federal government created the Income Tax Return Updated (ITR-U) for these taxpayers, which enables a taxpayer to comply with their tax obligations without encountering legal difficulties.
ITR-U is the tax return form in which taxpayers can file tax returns for assessment year 2 years prior to the current assessment year, that is, taxpayer can file an updated return for assessment year 2020-21 in financial year 2022-23 to offer to tax additional income. Thus, an updated income tax return gives a chance to the taxpayer for coming clean to the authorities if they have missed filing a tax return in the earlier year or have missed reporting some income. One would need to pay an additional income tax of 25% if the return is filed within 1 year and gets enhanced to 50%.
You can file ITR-U for financial year 2019-20 by 31st March 2023 and so on for subsequent assessment years. Only one ITR-U can be filed for each assessment year. The government is giving the facility through ITR-U to voluntarily disclose any income which was unaccounted for and come clean after paying an additional 25% or 50% tax of the amount of income missed to be reported. According to the reports, taxpayers have started using the facility and about 1 lakh ITR-U have been filed by now. ITR-U was introduced by the Union government for the benefit of taxpayers so that they can comply with their tax obligations without running afoul of the law.
The taxpayer may have paid additional tax or they may be a new filer. Around 28 crore rupees worth tax collection has been done under the scheme so far. This is a provision for taxpayers to come forward and pay taxes rather than face the consequences of penalty or any other legal action under the income tax law. The ITR-U form, which can be filed within 2 years of the end of the applicable assessment year, requires taxpayers to provide justification for updating their income, such as a previously unfiled return, income that was not reported accurately, the selection of the incorrect heads of income, or a reduction in a carried forward loss.
Please subscribe.